I sold my Mustang, my newer one that I had, and we purchased this one. 300 cars, and we were voted a #1 car.
This car is gonna open the hood for us.
Well, this truck is not really a show truck. It's more a have fun and drive around truck. And have fun.
Yes! Most important is to have fun.
That's all it's about.
It is.
I don't really have a whole lot of story about it. I bought it in April of 2011 as a birthday present to myself. I just saw it and I thought it was really cute.
A birthday present.
To myself.
How's that?
But it's very reliable, and I just had the back done with the black diamond plate. I had a fabricator do that, and then I had it repainted. So I just thought I'd bring it out, wax it up, have a little fun with it.
Do the pamperings it can have.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, you have fun.
Alrighty, you have fun too.
I will.
It's a really good show.
Sweet ride. So tell me the story of your ride.
It's a 1999 Roush Stage 3. It's a rare one. It's number 186 of 1,000 made. It's also one of the special edition, the real special edition 35th anniversary Mustang that he used. He signed it personally on the dash over there. It's supercharged, sorry. All the suspensions redone. And what's nice about it, it's the first year of the new generation Mustang that Roush offered in the Stage 3. Again, it's a special edition. And if you look at all the parts, like I got an 07 Roush also, and Roush makes their own parts, but being the first year here in 99, all the suspension part Bilstein made. So everything's marked Roush and also Bilstein Racing, which is kind of unique for this also. But it's a fun car to drive. We take it to shows. I actually bought this for my wife because because I have an 07 Stage 3 also. It's a family thing, you know. We have a daughter, and we can go. It's a little expensive at first to buy the cars, but you know, $20 a day, you can go to car shows all day long, and just a family thing. Yeah.
That is so cool. Well, thank you very much, Brian.
So hey, this is a 1965 Ford Mustang, first year of the Fastback. I've always had a love for cars, but in this one in particular, my wife and I have just always wanted to get one of these. And so I had bought a 2005 Mustang, that I thought I was going to keep that I actually loved. But when I saw this car on eBay, there was probably over 100 pictures from a gentleman in California that had it up for sale. So I sold my Mustang, my newer one that I had, and we purchased this one. We've had it for about 5 years. But it was a total restoration. Basically, it was just a shell. Everything on the car's been replaced, every nut and bolt. So basically, it was a 4-year restoration. So it's done very well in the shows. I actually had it in a show of 300 cars, and we were voted a #1 car.
Sweet. Well, it's really.
So I just absolutely love it. But yeah, thank you for spending your time with me today on the car.
It's really nice. Yeah, that's why it's. I mean, it caught my eyes instantly, and the color is also like.
Yeah, the color is beautiful. Yeah,
it is beautiful. So,
yeah.
well, thank you.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.